what's up, guys? Welcome once again. I miss you all, and it's yet another episode of Auto Tips, which we are now going to stop it. This channel, we are going to give you any update concerning automobile. So today's tutorial, we are going to talk about throttle body, how to adaptate throttle body when the RPM is above 1 or 2. But do you know that we have two types of throttle body, the electronics one and the manual one, which we normally use in the olden days and also still in the system, but more of the advanced cars are taking up the space of being using the electronic throttle body, and sometimes it will trigger to a point that the RPM will be a high volume, and when this happens, it may end up to rough idling. Fuel consumption is also going high, and the engine sound will not be at the high the ground position. So we are going to perform it live without using a scan machine. I just want you to learn this to also know how you can able to do these things at wherever you are with no scan machine, but our knowledge and the experience we have, we are going to perform it for you to see. So first, do me a favor by subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell and like the like button. Please let me see more comment on the comment section, and share the video to go viral, because this is the home of auto, and we are going to provide you every single content, every single tip, every single fundamental, every single basic hint, and also we will provide you the principles. So this content going for car users, auto technicians, and all the technical men out there. Eric Auto Center to the world, and I really appreciate Americans who are supporting me for watching my videos 24/7 all day long, and other fan and audience that have been sacrificed to promote this channel as well. I thank you all, and I love you. So appreciate that, and let's get into the video without wasting much time. Easier for them. As you can see, this Toyota RAV4, the RPM is too high. It's supposed to be below 1, but it's on high. So I'm going to perform adaptation, which I'm going to bring below down without using a scan machine. I have a scan machine here, but I'm not going to use it. I'm going to do it manually, so that wherever you are, you can also get access to get these tricks and tips to do it without going to mechanic or use a scan tool. This is only come from Eric Auto Center, but nowhere. So I'll take you to the engine, the battery side, and perform adaptation, how you can able to bring the throttle or RPM down without using a scan tool. Please, you know what to do. I'm gonna tell you, subscribe to this channel, like the like button, and share this video. Put your comment below, because this video is really useful for everyone, every car user. So let's get into the engine and perform adaptation. After that, you will see the RPM is below 1. So wait. Okay guys, so before you can perform that, you have to turn off the engine and remove the positive terminal before you can start performing adaptation. So after removing the positive terminal, you have to turn on the ignition before you perform it. So let's wait a bit and see what will gonna happen. Okay, so I turn on the ignition. Okay, so battery terminal is off, so you cannot see it, and I'm good. So let's perform adaptation. This is the battery terminal. So as the ignition is on, I'm going to touch this thing 15 times, and you can see the throttle battery is blinking inside there once the ignition key is on. So this is how you are going to do it. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, continue. Then you wait for 5 seconds before you fix the battery terminal, and after that you start the engine to see whether the RPM is still up 1 or below 1. So this is how you perform adaptation, meaning you are bringing out the RPM from above to below. So I have insert it and I have to tighten it with my 10 spanner. Okay, I have tightened it. So this is how you perform adaptation. It's Toyota RAV4. So you can see the ignition is on already, and I'm going to spark the engine and see. So let's spark the engine and see. So you can see automatically the RPM is below 1. Isn't that awesome? With no scan machine, we have performed adaptation and it has worked 100%. So this is how you perform adaptation, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel once again. Welcome to Eric Auto Center, the home of automotive content creation and auto tips. This is do it yourself, as I always mention. So share this video to go viral, as we are going to continue to bring you more useful information on this channel. I love you all and I really appreciate your support. Please do subscribe once again.